What year did you say it was?
84.
84. All right, today we're tuning this 1984 Nissan 300ZX. It's got a VG33 in it, which is originally out of a minivan. I'm not too familiar with these cars, but he's moved the engine back. I think he said around 6 inches and lowered it a bunch. It's a track day car. Check out all the heat shielding stuff. He did all this himself, all the fab work. Pretty cool deal. So we're doing a pump gas tune. Oh, it's also got a, before I could tell you, it's got a V-mount radiator and intercooler set up back in there. Pretty neat deal. Obviously don't have the nose on it just for loading it on and off the trailer, but it's a Link ECU car. We're gonna do a 93 tune, looking for 400 wheel on 93, and then we're gonna put some E85 in it, turn it up a bit until we run into some sort of fuel system limitation. We don't quite know what that is yet, but we'll find that out. So we're gonna dive into it and see what we can do. Pump versus E85 graphs here. On the pump gas, we turned it a little bit harder. We ended up running out of fuel pump at the higher boost levels on E. So we turned it back down. This is where we left it. 456 horsepower on E85. We made 404 on pump gas, 434 foot-pounds of torque on E, and 371 on pump. And there's the differences in the graphs. We ended up having the thing up to 26 pounds, and we made like 520 with it one hit. But unfortunately, the fuel pump wasn't keeping up. So we've either, it's got a single 450 in it. We're not sure if we've got a restriction somewhere in the filter, in the sending units, or what the deal is 100% yet. But yeah, we ran died. Anyway, yeah, we made decent in that mid 500 number before we ran out of fuel system problems. He's gonna sort the fuel system stuff out and bring the car back. It's like super track day stuff. These seats, if you've never sat in these race tech seats, man, they're nice. They fit really well, even for a little bit bigger dude like me. Check the dash out. But yeah, that's it for this thing. We're gonna sort out a couple little boost control problems, just some consistency issues there in the fuel system stuff, and probably bring it back and turn it up. We want to see a 550 wheel number on E85 eventually would be the goal for now. So that's it. Check it out.